Since its formation 4.54 billion years ago, Earth has been in a state of continuous transformation. Some of the changes are the cooling of rocks, variation in the composition of the air, and the formation of oceans. However, the most important change was when life began, 3.5 billion years ago. The biosphere, which includes all living things and the outer layers of Earth, is divided into three zones: atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The components of the biosphere are all connected, so any change in one of them affects the others. The atmosphere is a layer of gas almost 10,000 kilometers thick that covers the entire surface of Earth, in addition to gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also has liquid and solid particles in it. These gases and particles produce climate events, and they also regulate how energy travels to and from the planet. This means they protect us from extreme cold or heat. The hydrosphere consists of all the water on Earth: oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, groundwater, glaciers, polar ice caps, and the small drops of water in the atmosphere that form clouds and fog. The lithosphere consists of Earth's crust and the upper part of the material beneath it, called the mantle. On the continents, this layer can be up to 200 km thick, and under the ocean it is between 50 and 80 km thick. The atmosphere can be divided into 5 layers based on their composition and temperature, among other characteristics. Exosphere. It begins 600 km above the sea level and ends 10,000 km from the planet's surface. It is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium and has the fewest gas particles of all the layers. There are some meteorological satellites. Thermosphere. It is located between 80 and 600 km above sea level. Its maximum temperature is around 1,500 centigrades. This layer includes parts of the ionosphere, which compositions allows radio waves to be sent all over the planet. Mesosphere. It is located between 50 and 80 km above sea level. It does not contain water vapor or ozone. This zone has the lowest temperature, reaching almost 100 centigrades below zero. Stratosphere. It is located between 15 and 50 km above sea level. It contains almost no water vapor but a lot of ozone, which forms another layer at about 30 km. This layer stops some of the sun's ultraviolet radiation from reaching the planet. Troposphere. It starts at sea level and reaches about 15 km. It contains 75% of the atmospheric mass, with a large quantity of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. This is the area we live in and see changes in weather.